Hello sir, hello ma'am. I am Gauri Rakesh Bendre. Today's session I will discuss about you what is the exception in the Java and how to declare the exception in the Java. The exception in the Java. First I will discuss about you what is the exception in the Java. The exception in the Java, that means unwanted situation and unwanted parts are displayed in the program is called as the exception. Then exception is disturb the flow of the program. Then exception handling. Exception handling, that means handle the exception in the runtime program is called as the exception handling. There are the two types of the exception handling: checked exception handling and unchecked exception handling. The first discuss about to checked exception handling. In exception handling, the classes are directly inherit the throwable except the runtime class. That means it is a directly inherit the runtime exception. There are for example, this is unchecked checked exception is IO exception, IO exceptions, runtime exceptions, class not found exception, number format exception. Then unchecked exception. The exception, that means it is directly inherit the runtime exception. That means the runtime, for example, in runtime exception is array out of bound, arithmetic exception, string not found, null pointer exception, and so on. Then I will discuss about a hierarchical parts in exception. In hierarchical part, there are the two types of the exceptions. The throwable is the topmost class in the root of the topmost class in hierarchical. Throwable are the two types: exception and error. But I will not use error in core Java. So just use I will just use as exceptions. The exception are the then exception types is arithmetic, runtime. Then runtime exception as arithmetic, number not found, number format, null pointer exception, string not found. Then array out of index out of bounds exception. Then index out of bounds exception are two types: array out of bound, uh, string not found, class not found exception, and so on. Then that means there are the exception hierarchical in the Java. Then I will discuss about what is keywords are used in the exception handling. Try try The try keywords is the try block is uh, display the exception class and object of the exception. uh, for example, that means syntax is try open parenthesis, class name, or exception name and object of the exception. Then catch block. The catch block is handle the exception handle the exceptions. In that in catch block we display the risky code. That means what is the risky code? The risky code is the risky code. That means it is which code is generate the exception is called as a risky code. So risky code are displayed in the catch block. So catch block is the handle the exception. Then throw keyword. The throw keyword is the throw the exception. Then finally keyword is the keyword is throw the exception and final the exceptions. It is used keywords in the exception handling. The exception handling advantages is the advantages of the exception handling is maintain the flow of the program. It is delete the and it is a delete the risky code and maintain the flow of the program. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.